best experience. Update NVIDIA drivers. Oh shit, run on an SSD. Okay.
Are you gonna be okay?
I have a. I don't have a 1060. I have a It's a 1060. It's just I don't have an SSD. Everything else is within line though.
So far, I'm not getting any lag or anything. And enable arachnophobia mode. That's a hell of a start.
That's hoo hoo. I'm gonna go ahead and lower some of the settings.
Okay, yeah, I have everything set to performance.
Party invites, public, chat mode, enable streamer mode. Gameplay, apply. I didn't change nothing, but okay.
I also have not changed it. Oh, I can have multiple profiles.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Welcome to Nightingale.
They
Begin by
literally
selecting base. Okay. Basics. These guys look ugly.
Oh no, this is worse than Outlast Trials. Oh fuck.
Oh my god. These guys
cavemen.
are hideous.
I love them. All of them.
They are all equally precious.
Which part of evolution do you want to be a part of?
Dude, I'm still looking at all the archetypes. Oh my god. Wait, there's different bodies? Oh, okay, so instead of using genders, they went with bodies. Oh, I kind of like that.
Age?
I'm
you
sure
can actually get
someone will
like a... It's awesome.
These guys are just... Oh, good. Age makes your face melt.
It's... I don't know how to feel about this game just yet.
Oh, it's definitely still too early to say.
You can have okay, story. It doesn't seem like it's gonna give you any benefits.
The voice isn't giving me anything. Ancestry. Okay. Academic. Statesperson.
Your lineage. You can have parents. You can just create a whole family.
I don't know if any of these are actually going to be helpful.
I don't think they are.
I'm going to be a statesperson. I'm better than everyone else, and everyone needs to know it.
I'm going to be a hermit.
Oh, I see. This is what you were talking about when you said parents.
Yeah, so you can just click them, and then you'll have two dads, and both of your dads will have two dads, and you can just it just goes.
Why does it go so? Oh, good. My dad's wife and his mother look the exact same.
I like this game. Oh no. I'm just gonna send you a picture. If I can get anything to fucking load, I'm gonna send you this picture.
I've got an idea.
Multitudinous, like Blizzardman. Oh, some of this isn't available yet. Scars, yeah, they're still under development.
Perfect. Hold on, I want to share my screen with you. Take a look at my family lineage.
Oh, okay, hold on. Let me pull this back. No, I did the exact same thing, except they were all just the first character. This game is cursed. I love it.
It's
Oh my
great.
god, such a fucking good game. I'm happy.
Okay, I'm gonna take it semi-seriously, just in the fact that they're not all gonna be the exact same person.
You,
I also
you can have
love
fucking
that,
Oompa
like,
Loompa here.
one set of great grandparents is above the other. Sure.
Oh my god, this game is amazing. Eyebrows right now?
Oh man, there's a lot of limits, aren't there?
No. There's just enough right now. I'm so happy. Forehead. Oh my god, I can have a 6 head.
Why is there not a more orangey color?
That's a good question. Oh, it's like, they have it. It's the, it goes red, gray, and then it's like a pinkish red.
Oh, that's definitely pink.
No, go up, not to the right.
Oh, red, gray, and then... Oh, okay, I see what color you're talking about.
Yeah.
It's
That, I feel like
kind
that
of
might be close.
like something more like ginger, though, but, you know.
I mean, you can mess around with it. Skull? I can have... Zoom out a little. I'm normalizing my character. This is wild. And
You
it's not
mean-
taking me hours.
You mean normalizing?
So after you do the hair, you have head options. So you can like completely normalize your character.
I don't care that much about the hair, so I'm just gonna go with...
Your cheeks. Where are the cheeks at? Not too sunken. Something like that. Okay. Nose.
Oh, this facial hair is all beautiful. Oh, I definitely want this. I'm a gentleman. Oh my gosh, don't get that close to my face. Zooms in and he's just like, hey there.
Hey, Vsauce here.
Oh
You also
yeah,
have eye preset?
I see the normalized thing now. I don't think I'm gonna mess with it all that much, actually. Other than my jawline. Obviously, I want the most, like, chiseled jaw.
I'm gonna keep fucking with this because I can come up with the most obscene eyes possible.
Oh yeah, look at that chin. Yeah,
I have
a
3
hard
different
chin.
color eyes. Oh my god.
That's soft. My
Why
chin's
can't I-
hard.
Your chin's hard.
I
Noted.
don't know what's soft and hard. Oh, my chin's strength? Oh my gosh. I can give him a penis chin. Oh my gosh, look at that thing jutting out. But no. I hate to say it, I actually don't hate how my character looks.
That's what I'm saying. Me too. It's fucking. He's actually half decent human being.
Yeah, versus the start. Oh my god.
Versus the start. We don't talk about the start.
I'm not gonna spend too much time. Ooh, eyes.
You can change your teeth. No fucking way.
What are you guys playing?
It's called. What is this game called? Nightingale?
Nightingale, yeah. You can have
Oh,
fucking.
wow.
Oh my
You
god.
can get detailed with the eye creation.
Yeah, you can have like 6 different colors in both your eyes total. You can
Oh,
change
this
your
is-
teeth, which I don't know if it'll matter.
Like,
Like,
oh, this is
I can
actually
get-
cool.
I can get a whole ass gold grill if that's what I want it.
Oh my gosh, people are gonna be fucking around with this.
Step 3 difficulty. I don't know.
I decided to forgo the making the character look like me, just specifically because of the eyes. I don't care. Eye shape is fine. Eyelashes, whatever. Oh my gosh. I like the percentage on the metal teeth. And all it
I
does
know,
is
it's
change
okay.
which tooth it's on, and then the very last one is all the teeth.
You should be able to like press plus so you can pick which teeth.
I don't know what.
I'm thinking. So after step 3, it's difficulty. You get an equip option and realm option. Shall I read those off to you while you're still doing yours?
If you want.
So the first one is equip. I chose hermit, so it's like, oh, you are great at what you do, blah blah blah. How much equipment do you want to start with? Survivalist, refugee, civilian, late sleeper. Late sleeper, you start with absolutely nothing. I think I'm just starting with medium.
Sorry, I just got to it myself because I skipped the rest because it wasn't interesting. All I care about my characters is their hair and their eyes.
You can't even see my character's eyes anymore. They're like 4 colors. And then they have the realm power. It's like what's the world difficulty? I'm just choosing medium for both.
Maybe I'll start out with the hard loadout. Oh no, you know what? You're right. I'll start out with medium on everything.
Now there's a
I want to
story.
read
Oh,
what
no.
it says about them. Oh.
The
There's
Feywild.
a little bit of... Okay. Finalize. Advance to finalize your character and begin your adventure. Next. I need to come up with a name. Obviously, it's going to be... Oh, I have caps lock on.
That's not good.
EtriusRaven, please.
Before time itself, the realms have existed.
Oh, what is that guy?
Born of curiosity, we opened the first gateway to our endless Feywilds.
Oh,
They have
that's
long since
ooh.
aided man in harnessing that which we live and breathe. Magic.
Magic.
Tolerance was
Oh my gosh.
until your grasp.
I see a knight with a
reached.
shotgun. Ugh.
Greed in the face of power.
I'm not exactly
Saw
sure how
your
the
world
party and
caught
social
in
thing works.
ruin.
Still,
Yeah. I mean, I'm just waiting for the intro to be
Out
done and then I'll
flowed the pail,
mess around and find out.
swallowing
I'm
all
googling
in its
it. Like this is,
path.
I don't know, because they said it was just a
Some
unique way of how they
fled
do it
its
in multiplayer,
ever-spreading tongue,
and it's you have to have like a
seeking
realm card
refuge
to go to their
in
realm.
Nightingale,
Oh.
Someone to it.
only to be severed from assistance as the pathway between realms collapsed.
Oh. Not the pathway between realms.
Perhaps not all is lost, for Nightingale still stands.
Take your character with you
pushing
when you enter a
forward
game. When you
towards
leave the game, you leave.
progress and
So,
enlightenment.
All
Humanity's
progress you
final
make
beacon.
and the person you're joining stays with
Your
you.
path thither is winding and
Which is
full
interesting.
of terror's nascent realm.
That's all I'm saying. I don't know how like quests and stuff works, if it's really compatible with multiplayer. You can have up to 6 people in the party though.
Find the way homeward and rebuild anew.
This looks complicated as shit just to do this.
Good.
It's
I'm
spooky.
glad it's complicated because we're definitely competent people.
I know, right? It's a lot like the system in 7 Days though, so at least there's that.
Unknown realm. Continue journey. What do you mean continue?
I think it's because you by technicality in the story you did step through a portal to leave Nightingale
Ah, I see.
for reason A, B, or C. Yeah.
Okay.
And then we have to get back.
I'm in a place.
So we're doing survival for fun. That's kind of fucked up. Unknown realm. Overview. It tells us nothing. This is a lot like No Man's Sky 2. Okay.
You must escape through the portal to join our creative party. Okay, so there's a bit of a tutorial at the beginning, it looks like. It looks like we can just
Honestly,
invite each other in.
Yeah.
Let me also mess with some of the audio options. Turn stuff down just a little bit.
I would like to change enable or activate enable. Okay, now graphics performance.
I don't know what things to pick up are gonna look like quite yet.
Frame rate limit 0.
Oh,
Okay.
cool! I can punch things.
It's like Minecraft. You can play in third-person mode too, but I feel like that'd be a pain in the ass.
Whither wander you, lost in our Feywilds?
I don't like this puck guy that's talking to me.
Show haste, human.
Puck,
Oh,
you stop
man,
being
it's
so
just-
cryptic.
Quickly, before those
Fleshlings.
sniff out your despair.
Where are we in hell?
Shadows abound.
Oh, we're
Yet
at Puck's
like
place.
a fire's final embers, you refuse to be snuffed out.
Okay.
I come with an offer to guide you to a safer realm, and rebuke death, unlike so many of your kin. I come with an offer. Take these bloodstained cards, play them, and let amiable bond be drawn between Fey and Fleshling. Give me your hands, that we may be friends, and I shall restore amends.
This is such a unique fucking
Honor
game.
sit
Holy
in
shit.
Cornwall
It is so
Omne.
beautiful.
Right?
Hurry yonder toward Portal
So I have
and
a biome
Apparatus,
card,
so you travel
forest,
to the
and a
forest
major
byway
card.
swiftly. Across the divide.
Oh my gosh, Puck talks so much.
Just click on the thing, it'll go.
Open realm card. Forest card and byway card. What that means, I don't know.
Fly.
Unity of Wilds existence.
The fiends
Oh.
have caught your despairing stench.
Oh! There's a whole bunch of guys that showed up. Wonder if I should have tried to attack.
That might not be smart, considering we have nothing on us. Holding the interact button will pick up all nearby loose items. Okay.
What's the
That is-
interact
that-
button?
I don't know. But that's quality of life right there. So far, solid game. Loving it.
Waiting for a server?
Yeah.
Oh,
Big sad like that. Again, this is still beta. But we have the whole game. It comes out.
potential career features deers, fish goat, scion of the. Okay, blot the elder's spoil. You know, most of these things looked really simple, and then suddenly I'm looking and I'm like, elder's spoil, scion of the Gaunus. Like, well,
Yeah. So each realm seems like it's gonna have its own boss.
okay, return the puck. Found the deer.
I might have to turn the video down.
Collecting things. All right, this is a crafting game at the end of the day, right?
Yeah, it's a crafting game.
Okay.
I'm sure it is.
What do I do? Okay, this. Game has explained pretty much nothing to me.
Well, you're starving, so now you gotta go find food.
Oh, hi, Puck.
Count thyself.
There's
among
fucking
the
deer just
fortunate
ran at me
few
and
who
I
manage.
I nearly pissed
Nightingale
myself.
still
Oh god.
stands, but earth teeters on the brink. And these wilds are the gift I promised should aid thy
Yes.
cause. A hermetic guidebook and pocket watch,
Right there.
purloined off the corpse of a realm walker. Keep these
Oh, I have to
like
acquire
close
bears, okay.
companions. With the man-made network sundered,
I have a bad
in the
spawn.
interim,
I got no
I hear
rocks.
your stomach snarling. Oh, Under this mask, you wonder. I am Puck. Robin to some. Oberon's merry wanderer of the night.
I am starving.
Yeah, he steals your hunger. He's an asshole. Or maybe
Yeah,
it's
well,
from
I
traveling.
found food, so take
Don't
that.
eat it. Gives you fucking side quests. Ah.
F
What?
is the use button.
For
Gather
your
what I
off-
can.
Yeah.
Raw berries. And rocks? I have yet to find rocks.
Yeah. They're not. This is a lot like Valheim, I've noticed. But nothing evil is trying to kill me, so I'm not complaining.
Oh, you're talking about Valheim. I had a way easier time understanding.
How do I build? That's probably the question.
Yeah, that's what I was having a hard time figuring out.
Guidebook.
I
Cooking.
need more raw berries and more rock.
Not F, because that's the E. Thought that was gonna be it. Okay. C, that's not it.
Okay, I now have enough raw berries. Where do I find rocks at? Do I just have to punch this?
They're kind of by the ocean. Crafting.
Also, can we join each other's games now, or do we have to get through this sort of like tutorial-like area
Let's
first?
just yeah, we have to finish the tutorial area. You see, I don't.
Ah. Rocks. Okay. Press B for the guidebook. Where do I build at? Probably somewhere near the...
Oh.
Aha.
So it gets debuffs when it's exposed. Instead of saying, "Oh, you can't do it," it's like it's recommended you don't. I like that.
How do I... No! How do I build it?
Press B.
I did.
Then
Oh, you have to
okay.
auto add resources. Okay.
Yeah. This is okay. It's weird. So add fuel. And I split the stack instead of using all of it. Shift to split the stack. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh, I get it. Hey, I'm figuring this out. Roasted berries. Ooh. Oh, it's so pretty.
Oh. Whoa. What happened? Eat roasted berry. And return to Puck. Puck, I ate the berries. Where did you go, you weird asshole?
Locate the realm's portal and venture into the desert byway realm. Cool. I want to take some food. Can I do that?
Please hope echo. What is a hope echo?
Oh.
Holograms tell tales of more cities perishing one by one. After Paris, it was Brussels, then Milan. A horrid fog called the Pale billows forth the portal in Paris. We have known of the Pale, but something has shifted, changed from what it once was. Whereas before, the Pale was small tendrils stretching out just beyond the portal before dissipating. It now spreads across the earth, blanketing everything in its path. Sambongan is far from Paris, but the Pale continues as it has. It will ultimately reach us. Those who stay scrutinize our portal. Others avoid it altogether. There are talks of fleeing the city, finding safety away from the portals. Such a place were to even still exist. I don't know if that helped you at all, but oh my gosh, Puck, you scared me.
You've avoided embarrassment by staving off
Ah.
starvation. We must carry
Raven,
forth
this is such a pretty
whilst this
game.
byway
It
is
is very
aligned
pretty.
with
Oh,
another.
But on like
One
performance
which
mode,
should
it's so
get us
it's so
to the
fucking
portal
amazing.
stands nearby. delay not.
I'm taking a shit ton of food into the portal. I don't. That just seems logical.
Hit the realm's portal.
That
Adventure into the desert byway realm. Where's the realm's portal?
I don't know, but I know that we'll probably be able to meet up after we go through. I'm sorry, dear. I stole all the food in the area.
I built. Is that it?
There it is.
I don't see any options for crafting weapons.
I don't know. Maybe we have to go. Did you go through the portal already?
No, I can't find the portal.
I think I found it.
Really?
Yeah, it's just kind of straightforward. Oh, look at the sky! It's so pretty.
Wait till you
It's
check
like
out more
suns-
of the beach. Is there a map
my
or something I
God.
can look at? There is a map. There's the portal.
Oh, there is a map.
Okay, cool. The map tells you where the portal is.
Okay. Don't we have to find cards?
Yeah, doesn't it say it's
Oh.
at the portal?
It does give us cards. And the byway card. Play this card to seek a small transient realm. Miniative wilds exist that serve as pathways between. Okay. So we're not gonna see anything crazy just yet. Did you
Just
find
tried
the
to
portal?
punch a deer in the head.
I'm gonna go ahead and go through.
Yup. Oh, I need to actually open the portal. There we go. Alright, I'm going through. Hopefully I'll be able to come back there again someday.